Good afternoon, I'm Raine Musñgi. This is Newsfeed. After a two-day decline, Philippine shares end the week on a positive note. The benchmark PSEi inched up 0.4% to close back above the 7,300 level. Market breadth was positive, with value turnover notching up to 4.2 billion pesos, while advancers outpaced decliners at 110 to 81. Majority of the most heavily traded stocks ended in the green, including BPI, GT Capital, and International Container Terminal Services, or ICTSI. President Bongbong Marcos appeals to the private sector to pitch in and help in relief efforts following the devastation brought by severe tropical storm Christine. The president also says he has ordered the full mobilization of military assets for response operations. Marcos earlier conducted an aerial inspection of storm-affected areas, including Batangas and Cavite. Christine brought widespread flooding in several parts of the country this week, particularly the Bicol region. Marcos has assured storm victims help is on the way. Japan's former top currency diplomat is poised to become the next head of the Asian Development Bank. Masato Kanda is the sole contender, as the ADB already closed its nomination period. The organization will begin voting on Monday, and results will be out on November 28. Since the ADB was founded in 1966, its top post has always been filled by someone from Japan, which along with the United States is the bank's biggest shareholder. Kanda will succeed Masatsugu Asakawa, who's retiring in February next year. The competition between Apple and Huawei intensifies in the world's largest smartphone market. Apple's iPhone sales in China were said to have slipped 0.3% in the third quarter of 2024. Huawei, meanwhile, surged by 42%. The Chinese tech giant further challenged Apple's position in the country earlier this year when it released its latest Pura 70 model. Last month, Huawei also launched a tri-foldable phone on the same day that Apple unveiled the iPhone 16. And Tesla shares notching their biggest day in over a decade as investors cheer CEO Elon Musk's strong sales forecast. The stock rose nearly 22% on Thursday, the biggest single-day gain since May 2013. Nearly $150 billion was added to Tesla's market value. Musk earlier said he expects a 20 to 30% sales growth next year as he plans to launch an affordable vehicle in the first half. Now, before we go, here are today's market winners and losers. And those are the news this hour. I'm Raine Musñgi. Stay tuned to BNC on Free TV Channel 31, Channel 24 on Cignal, and on our website, bnc.ph. Thank you so much for watching.